would say that we can't go to the water body to perform ritual. Who does that? Who does that, sir? You love going on like Anambra State.
Armstrong, I see you. Good morning, your time. Good morning, your time. I hope everything's all right with you. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. So we are streaming here this hour. So let's continue. I just want to react on Soludo's, back and front identity. And the response of this guy, even though I'm not a fan of this guy, and I'm not his fan, he's sorry for you and I can't condemn more. But let's just listen to him before we go into the program properly.
With due respect, sir, go up on Anambra State. With due respect, sir, saying that we should stop going to the rivers for sacrifice. I am telling you, I will give you the day that I will be in the rivers. I will show it on camera. Anyway, you can come and arrest me because you cannot stop me from doing water ritual. I am a DJ. I don't have any other fear to tell you this, sir. With due respect, as far as what do you say? We in the Libyans are advocating for a peaceful and serene environment whereby people will not bring plastic to block our waterways. But saying that water ritual should stop is a lie. You can't stop it, sir, with due respect. Whatever you have put you on so section 38, I ban you to that. You don't even a speak up to the people. You don't have any right to say, I have to say that I'm a cable. Before you became a governor, you are an Igbo man, not only one of Kalatule. If you don't Igbo, if you don't do Anambra State, Igbo. If I'm not going to Igbo, see, I am not trying to do it. I am about to number. There is no difference about Igbo. Saying that we should stop going to the water for rituals is like telling us that all of the existence of Igbo should be destroyed. And sir, who tells the country to say that Anambra is a Christian state? You know, must include.
You know, I have not listened to this guy, his video at all. I just decided to bring it here because I know the video is all about Soludo and what's happening in Anambra State. But what I'm hearing now seems like it's a very, very different topic on its own. Because this guy says something here that if they continue pulling down the shrine and going after Ndedebia, that they will start attacking churches. This guy is the ex-seminarian. You know, if you're a Catholic, you know what that means. So this guy is the ex-seminarian, like he wanted to be a reverend father in a Catholic church. He did not succeed. Maybe he just spent some time and pack his bag, you know, which can affect anybody. I don't know if any of you that have seen runaway seminarian, people who went to seminary school that want to be a reverend father, but halfway they dropped and decided to live their normal life and get married and do other business. They are the #1 haters of Christians, because I don't know what they study in the first class, in the first year, so maybe 2 or 3, 4 years. Then if they drop out in that stage, they always go against Christians like never before. So that is what this guy is. I was told that he's a student of, he's a ex-seminarian. So meaning that he wanted to be a reverend father before, then he fall off. Look at him today. Anyway, this video is not about him and his faith.
So I can prove it to you. Yes. Why? Because you infringe our right by virtue of section 38. Now our right to freedom of worship. You impose the mode of worship on us. Soludo according to constitution. If we need to according to constitution, sir, look at section 38 Nigerian constitution. By virtue of that, I need to carry on the embodiment of the country called Nigeria. Yes. Because if not, you are still the elected governor serving under the Nigerian government. So are you saying that section 38 of the federal constitution is no longer working in Anambra State? If not, they are working, I get a court of appeal, I get a Supreme Court, you can't stop no other person in the ordinary. I too I can lose your man stop wire. If you are a governor ruling in a state where tradition is part of their norms, you create a way you didn't try to lose. Fọlá yẹ kó sọ̀rọ̀ ìtọ́nà nọ́mbà lọ́la ife ìjìnlẹ̀ charge ẹ̀ bá tiẹ̀ ní ìlú ìsìlì yẹn bá ká ìjìnlẹ̀ ìgbẹ́kú di àjà at intervals. You can't stop us from each other. Sàkóso ń jẹ́ ń ga káyọ̀dé ibà ló ń jẹ́ court káyọ̀dé ibà ìwé iná mọ̀ àná fàbá brọ́mà sí ibẹ̀. You can't win this in court. Let us go to court. And I believe whosoever that is the chief justice, whosoever that is the speaker that approved this, whosoever that is the lawmaker that was there in the panel will approve this thing. You bunch our people and you people are bunch of disgrace to the constitution. Who now have a constitution on India? Constitution. If all you are saying is about we should stop doing evil practices, generalize with due respect, not under my watch. I don't know some go come back to one of the joy or can do the you don't want to say that Thomas get the sir. With due respect, sir, get a lot of operate to everyone did be an actual. Suppose this fast course, it is a ritual. We celebrate Christmas is a ritual. We celebrate Easter is a ritual. We Halloween is a ritual. We anything that is a ritual. Everything is transferred under a ritual. Then they want to ask the Ayaba also. Maybe now pushing microphone noise every Sunday. I am group. So I can get everybody who do well. Everybody who will be here. Everybody who will be here first.
Okay, so we are not going. This is about his own. He's a Fubi because of his religion. So let's go back to the program that brought us here. Some of you have seen what is going on in Anambra State and how to use his gubernatorial seat or governor's seat as a governor of Anambra State to employ outsiders. The same thing that Hobos Odema is doing. He seems to have chosen the template of Hobos Odema, going after his people. Some of the comments that he made about what's going on, I'm not here to validate criminality. Anybody that is kidnapping and spying people, stealing some, robbing people, stealing, you are committing crime, and I'm not here to defend you. What I'm saying here has nothing to do about I'm not backing what you are saying, no, or what you are doing. What I'm saying is this idea of recruiting people that hate Igbo in general as vigilante of Anambra State, of Imo State, as of today, is forbidden. It is not something that anybody should be proud of. If you want to bring vigilante group to do this and do that, you need to do it in a way that you have to in such a way that you let your people to know. I have found on their code on social media people that use mortar, not a pistol, to torture people, going after young people, young men and women, especially young boys. Their nails and ankle are being tortured like as if they are hardened criminal without any proper investigation. We have not only said that. Another group called Udo Gacho, I don't know what they call themselves, are now doing the same thing. They are moving around with AK, torturing people, unarmed individuals. But they don't go to bush to check the activity of Fulani headsmen. No. They don't go to face any other armed group like a Bubago. No. If they want to commit crime, they will say that there's joint task force, team up of a Bubago and any group at all. They will go and fight for. Most of those youths that are in the Bubago and this group happen to be ex-ESN members, meaning that they don't even know, because anybody who claimed that he was an ESN member and decided to walk, to step down and start working with government, actually don't supposed to be, in any armed group or any force that represent Biafra as a movement. Why do I say so? Biafra movement should be supposed to be a movement whereby people who have the urge to defend or fight for Biafra should be. It's not a place that creates avenue for you to lay hands on a catapult so they can start torturing and committing crime. This will tell you that many of them that joined because of the idleness. Because that's why it is so easy for them to jump from this group to another group, from this another group to this group, is a sign of idleness. Now, I will bring a video of a Soludo where he is bragging about what he can do now, that he's giving anybody in the bush, according to the word he used, a chance to come out, and he's going to give them a kind of reintegrate them back to the society and give them, free hand to live again. But if they refuse, they are coming after them. They are going to come after them. Now, like I said, remember I told you that most of them are people that are that once in ESN member and all that. So listen to what Soludo said here. I hope the video will not disappoint.
Come out from there, I can tell you.
Okay, let's start from the beginning.
Those of you in the bush who are carrying gun or whatever. Again, come out from there, and we will help to rehabilitate you. We've asked them for them to go and register in the office of the Special Advisor Security, and then also the office of the Commissioner for Youth. Come out and surrender. We will devise special 1U2 skills for you, train you and empower you and reintegrate you into society. But if you fail to come out from there, I can tell you with the Agone Chamber and my pressure, we're coming after you. We are coming after you.
Agone Chamber and Operation Udogachi. Operation Udogachi is one that is Asante of boss guys. Then Agune Chamber is another name of a Bubago. That's in that code under this man's government. You understand? So he made everything too so difficult for himself, to the extent that the APC, they are now bragging that in the next election, Anambra will fall in the hands of APC. Let's continue.
Hiding place. If you know anybody who is a member, in fact, if you know anybody who goes to the bush anywhere, tell us. We'll go and grab the person. If you know anybody who goes to any camp, that one's trying to bring bad name to these decent people here, criminals and their supporters, those native dog who confuse them, of course. We've told them that I think they have to make a choice. And for us, we've chosen the path of enterprise, hard work, and integrity. For them, they choose now to be in the bush and come out to collect from those who have worked hard. We said that won't work. Not in Anambra. They go find somewhere else.
Okay, that's a Soludo for you. Now, let us go to this one, where he says something again. This is Soludo before he emerged as a governor. Before this Soludo, that most of us respected. Look at him, even the look, everything, to be honest with you. So you will hear what he said here. It's just 2 minutes video. Just compare it with what you just heard from him now. Okay, listen to him.
Discussion that okay, if this happens, you will lose your property.
Let me take it back again.
Discussion that okay, if this happens, you will lose your property, you will lose that, and so on. Of course, that is untenable. I mean, I too was wrong on this, because if by any chance you have another state of Biafra, it will be the 16th state of ECOWAS, and that means you have free movement of goods and persons. But the fundamental question, the fundamental issue is that this debate is not happening. This whole thing is being driven almost in a haphazard manner. Last week, they called for, was that last week? Yeah, last week. They called for a sit at home. And even without anybody getting out to more in force and so on, I learned virtually Anambra and many other cities were completely shut down. It just tells you there is something going on. But again, where is the elite in this? What is missing is structured debate and the apparent elite aloofness or complicity or hypocrisy. Elite in denial. For the politicians who think you can just, let's use them temporarily, let's use them. Just go on, while we can then use that to negotiate for something here. I can tell you, you will create a monster that will consume you.
Did you hear that? That is Soludo then, and Soludo now is what we play to you. What I've played for you, as a governor, where he claiming that he have an Operation Dogachi, Operation this one. This is how he sound then. To tell you that these people actually know everything they're doing, it's just that they want to manage it temporary. Like, as a governor, let me just manage it, let me just push it the way I want. I think this is his 4 years, right? I think he's now in his 4 years. Very soon he will contest again to make it 8. But it is very, very clear that this man actually knows that using them temporary, for those of you that are jumping from this group to group, the man that one of the people that are pushing you to jump is telling you that you are being used temporary. So it's not something that you should be proud of, but I know many of you will not listen.
When that inferno comes, both us, everybody else, and the kind of thing that happened in Biafra, where any dissent was considered a saboteur. Okay? You might get to a point where you will be telling them, just go on, while we can negotiate here, get something for ourselves in Abuja. I can tell you, these guys are no fools. At some point, they will look at you too and know that you're actually part of the problem. And so on and so forth. So, I say, let the debate.
So, when you hear about Edward Cannon, Soludo understand this very, very well. Just like every other person. That be in a manage it, let us manage it, let us manage it. Let us just manage it. We are managing it at your own detriment. So I just want to bring this with, because like I said, this is a quick live stream that I just want to share this with us, because today is Massimo Cano's court case. So I would like to, go out and come back again, maybe here on our main platform. But what I want to do is to make sure you like the video, subscribe to this channel, and give the video a thumbs up, so that others will get to see to Soludo what he's saying now and what he said before, for you to understand the katakata going on, that these people actually know what they're doing. It's just that because of their personal interest, because of their involvement in most of those things, they have to protect their image and make sure that they keep on managing what they think they're managing, while destroying everything, and our youth are the one paying the price. I saw a video of some people that they buy in Anambra State and use them to, for roadblock. Then it happened that those people, because the guys that he recruited, went to another village, another community to buy people, without knowing that Soludo people, his own kinsmen, went to that village to do some work, and they had been murdered in cold blood by the people that Soludo recruited. So they're now mocking, laughing at him that he should carry his brothers and go and bury. So going to people's another community to buy people, you don't know that your brothers and sisters may be there. It's a very, very funny thing, and it's sad one to be honest. So Michael, thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and make sure you subscribe to the channel. See you again, and bye bye for now.